Hi, dear viewers. Welcome to Adjektiv channel. I'm so happy you are here. And today's video, I'm gonna talk about adjective part 2. But before get started, don't forget to subscribe or in Norwegian abonner or press the button abonner or subscribe. This amazing YouTube channel about Norwegian English grammar, and don't forget to click the bell notification too. It will help you to notify when I post in new videos, and also click like and share to your friends too. And you can find my videos also on Facebook with EdTube education. So our today's topic is all about adjective, and it's part 2. And before that, I will show you what I have written from our last session. I wrote around 7 adjectives. The first one is han tegnet et fint bilde. Han kjøpte en dyr genser. Jeg skal kaste de gamle redskapene. De solgte en billig bil. Den fine buksene. Det nye skjerfet. De gamle husene. So here the whites are all the adjectives. But here we have the adjectives with indefinite article, here substantive, with the neutral or intention, while here is masculine hanshon, while here is with the plural form, and here is with masculine hanshon, and here is with the definite adjective, and here definite substantive, and all in all, then fina buksana is a definite adjective, and here also but with the masculine, and the definite adjective here also is the intention or neutral, and here also definite adjective is the plural form. So these are some examples, and you can train by yourself also like this. So this is from our last session, but today's lesson also is a continuation, and I will show you what we will see here. And it's adjective, and the fourth rule is about adjective enders or the suffix. If it is ended with e, moderne, e means modern, so we don't need to add t, intention, when we change it to adjective. And the fifth is most adjectives with double consonant, they miss one consonant when we add t to them. For example, grown or green, it means green, and when you change it or alter into Norwegian, it becomes like gront with one n and added with t. And the other form is liten or annen. Liten is a little and annen is other. And liten is change the form or the pattern when we put it with the gender. For example, en liten stol, I lita jacka, et lite hus. So liten, lita, lite, it changed with the gender. And here also is small gender, it's changed also with the number also. In the other form, annen or another also, it changed from annen in hanshon or masculine to anna or hunshon or feminine or annet, neutral or intention, and andre to flertal or plural form. So these are also, you have to remember them when you write in a sentence with different genders. You have to recollect, or you have to remember what type of gender is the substantive and how we are going to fit with the adjective. And the other way of writing the liten is liten. Always we use with the indefinite form or indefinite article or a substantive, while the lille is with a definite adjective. Like, for example, den lille stolen, den lille jacke, den lille huset. So it's the same in all the genders here when we use a definite adjective or bestemt adjective in Norwegian. Den lille stolen, den lille jacke, den lille huset. It means it is the small chair. So it means he knows before. And den lille jacka, he knows the small jacket. Den lille huset, he knows before the small house. And the små stolene, jakkene, husene, these are in flertal or in plural form also. He or she knows the thing before. So this means it's bestimmt or known or definite adjectives. And you have also the regelgrad of adjective, means they are adjectives, they follow the rules or the regular adjectives. But here we can see like the comparison. When we compare one adjective, when we compare on one thing positive, just as it is, we can put the adjective. When we compare with two things, we can add ere in Norwegian, and also like than in English. And also in superlative, we add est. So here, flink, flinkere, flinkest, kall, kallere, kallest, varm, varmere, varmest. So this is the way how we change the regular adjectives in Norwegian grammar. But next time I'll bring also more adjectives with regular form, just to help you to study and to train. And the other form is the irregular adjectives, means these are adjectives but irregular adjectives when we compare or when we use with the comparison things. Like in positive, comparative, superlative. Liten, mindre, minst, mange, flere, flest, mye, mer, mest, stor, større, størst, tung, tyngre, or tyngst. So these are irregular, or they didn't follow the rule. They changed it in other form or pattern. So this also you have to remember them, train them, and rehearse them, and you have to write them, and you have to use them also all the time. So this is the way how to learn the Norwegian language, or especially the adjective forms. Adjective boing, mer or mest. Also like in English, we use like more beautiful, more handsome, like also the same here. Also we have also mer and mest also we use, but mer and mest we use in Norwegian, especially adjectives ended with suffix sx or ete or ende. Like for example, democratis, mer democratis, or mest democratis, or praxis, for example, mer praxis, mest praxis, and bakete, mer bakete, or mest bakete, and levene, mer levene, mest levene. So these are adjectives ended with sk or ete suffix or nde, or long adjectives. We use this mer and mest to indicate for the adjective in comparison. When you compare with two, comparative. When we compare from all, we use superlative. And the other form is adjectives ended with al, ar, or an. They miss the e inside. Like vacker, it misses one consonant, also e. Vakrere, vakres, galen, galnere, galnes, travel, travelere, travelest. So these are things always we have to remember them when we change them into comparative and superlative, the adjectives. So dear viewers, so I'm going to leave you. You have to write some 7 adjectives also for our next session, next meeting next week. And I will bring also 7 sentences with adjectives, and we'll meet with other topic also next time. Until then, you should have to keep on training and keep on writing, and try also to send me your comment. Also try to give me your suggestion, or send me also what you want to learn more. And please don't hesitate to write your comment, and please try also to subscribe or abonner down, and also try to share this video to your friends and like. And thank you so much also for being with me, and wishing also a marvelous day to all of you.